Hey there. Have a special dining occasion coming up? The Amex Global Dining Collection gives you access to exclusive reservations, perks, and experiences at world-class restaurants. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. This benefit is typically for Platinum Card and Centurion members. Access it through the Amex mobile app or the Global Dining Collection website. You can search for participating restaurants in cities worldwide. The key perk is access to hard-to-get reservations at popular spots. You may also receive benefits like a complimentary course, a welcome drink, or a priority seating note when you book with your eligible Amex card. My crucial pro tip? Book well in advance and mention the benefit. These reservations are limited. When you call or book online, always state you are an Amex card member seeking to use the Global Dining Collection benefit to ensure the perks are noted on your reservation. That's how you turn a nice dinner into an unforgettable, elevated experience. What's the best restaurant experience you've ever had? Let me know in the comments. If guides on luxury card perks intrigue you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.